everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel a Remitly transfer using the online method. Now, the first thing you need to do is log into your Remitly account by going to remitly.com and signing into your profile. Next, you have to click on transfer history from the top menu. Next, you have to find the transfer you want to cancel. Then select the transfer and click on cancel transfer. Do not forget to review the cancellation details before confirming your cancellation. Now, after cancelling a transfer, you will receive a refund for the cancelled transfer minus any applicable fees. And then some transfers may incur cancellation fees depending on the transfer type and destination. Please note that Remitly allows cancellation only if the transfer has not been processed or delivered to the recipient. If you need to cancel a transfer, act quickly. Cancel the transfer as soon as possible to avoid processing, and verify the transfer status before attempting to cancel.